Interest in crypto for now. People like, well, Bitcoin is going down. So let's go back to February and let's see something. February of 2022, and let's see the price action. February. Why February? Because I think that was the very time that I realized that Bitcoin was correcting itself. So we were around 50,000, and what happened after that? Bitcoin started correcting itself, and we registered a red dot here, and money flow was sinking into the negative territories. By the way, I'm on a daily time frame, so it's more or less like a summarized time frame. It gives you more or less like a summary of the price actions from, let's say, February to the current date. So let's say let me use December of 2021. So we started correcting here. There was a correction here going on. Price started falling down from 50,000, and we started heading back to 43,000. Came back to 47,000. Then that was a hit. We came down deep from 47,000 to 23,000 to currently we are trading under 23,000. So let's see the correction. Well, momentum spiked here, let's say from 45,000 around March, and momentum was crossed the overbought territories here, the overbought territories. So was money flow in the positive territories, started sinking down in the negative territories. It was like momentum registered a correction, huge correction here, then spike into the negative territory. So from that time till now, let's see what's happening from that moment from this side. Let's say from April to current time, August. You understand? Like momentum has been together with money flow has been struggling in negative territories. You could see that there is less price actions here. So there is less movement of momentum here. Momentum came here one time, then came down here again, struggled within June, came up again July, then came down. Then I think we've been a little bit bullish on July, July. But what am I seeing here? I'm seeing money also heading into the negative third, sorry, positive territories, and momentum is correcting itself. I don't really think momentum can go up again. I think there will be a correction here before it surges up. If money flow stays in, I'm looking for, let's say, a nice move from 23,000 to, let's say, 25,000. I'm just saying it based on a very direction of momentum. But there's still positive signs in crypto, sorry, Bitcoin. I mean, and then the problem with most people is that they don't like to see Bitcoin down. It's like don't expect everything that goes up to stay there. You understand? No, expect Bitcoin to be at 60,000 and not correct itself. It's a cycle. It's a cycle. I've seen Bitcoin move from $700 in 2017 to 20,000, move from 20,000 to 3,000 in 2018, and it's normal. If you're in crypto for the short term games, you're never going to love Bitcoin because Bitcoin has this 4 year appreciating cycle. If you're holding Bitcoin for 4 years, I mean, the supply keeps there's something called halving, whereby the supply of Bitcoin is being sliced into two all the time. So the more the supply goes down and demand goes up, what happens to price? It surges up. So this is a normal market cycle. If you are trading within the short-term time frame or investing in the short-term time frame, then you have to be specific. Are you gambling or are you investing or are you just speculating? If you're a long-term holder, hold your Bitcoin for 4 years and you're going to see appreciating in a period of 4 years. If you're just betting the short-term benefits, then you have to be trading right. Otherwise, you are shrinking your money or you're shrinking your capital. I would trade in any condition because I understand the script and I know how to trade using market cipher. You understand? So if you're in crypto for the short-term gains, then Bitcoin is not the kind of asset you have to be playing with because it's very speculative and very volatile. And you have to realize that every financial decision that you make on a very speculative and volatile asset is very risky. You understand? So don't try to bet on the short term benefits on an asset which is very volatile and very speculative. So if you're new to this channel, the script I'm using is called Market Cipher. The best trading script You can also use my Discord as well. The link is all under the description, and I give insight into the very direction of the assets called Bitcoin. I simplify trading as well, but I'm not your financial advisor. So Bitcoin is just an asset that you can trade, and you can accumulate Bitcoin using Market Cipher as your reference trading script. So what am I seeing good signs? Well, I'm still seeing good signs, and I'm hoping Bitcoin probably by the end of the year probably touches 40,000 again, and let's see what happens. And in 2024, there's going to be another halving whereby the supply is being sliced into two, and that's probably a good sign that Bitcoin has what it takes to be one of the best performing assets in the entire history. For almost like 11 years, it's been the best performing asset. So if you're in for the short-term benefits, I'm sure just wait for the long-term gains because Bitcoin will always appreciate 4 years. So until then, have a nice time, people. Peace.